Please like and subscribe.
Is in custody tonight after police say she allegedly shot another woman in a road rage incident downtown. And that's not all she's accused of doing. WJZ's live at City Police headquarters. Paul Gessler tells us who ended up stopping her and where. Paul.
Nikki, Saturday's alleged road rage incident started at 3:30 in the afternoon about 5 blocks southwest of here on Redwood Street. It ended here at Baltimore and Gay, right near the back door of Baltimore City Police headquarters. In the heart of downtown Saturday afternoon.
This is a fairly safe area. There are a lot of businesses around here.
Gunfire on East Redwood Street.
It's, I think, maybe 2 blocks from the harbor.
Police say a woman shot another woman in a case of road rage.
We got a small injury to the back of her head. It's minor bleeding.
The victim, thankfully, only grazed in the head.
Thank God for it, because, you know what I'm saying, like, she got to keep her life. I just hope that woman that tried to kill her is in jail for real, I ain't gonna lie.
Tanisha Pollock is now accused of shooting the woman, and she is in jail now when police say she came across an off-duty police officer on East Baltimore Street. They say Pollock then shot at that officer, who returned fire. Neither was struck, and Pollock was arrested by other officers in the area, right outside City Police headquarters.
I'm not surprised that she continued on and put other people's lives at harm, and especially, you know, off-duty cops. You might have not known that he was a police officer.
It doesn't make any sense. I don't think it's worth taking a life over a road rage incident, you know what I'm saying? I get it, some people can be frustrating on the road sometimes, but you don't gotta pull out your pistol and just, you know, kill somebody over it.
Pollock is now charged with attempted murder, assault, reckless endangerment, and a host of gun charges.
You don't know any time of day when you're walking around Baltimore what you might see or what you might come across.
Now, the victim, described by police as a 31-year-old female, is...
This story is personal to me because I drive this area every single day.
Is believed, rather, to have only suffered a minor head injury. Pollock, meanwhile, has a preliminary hearing set for next month. For now, reporting live at 5, I'm Paul Gessler for WJZ.
Paul, thank you.